People gathered in several towns in the breakaway region of Somaliland on Sunday to celebrate its recognition by Israel, a decision condemned by the Somali president as a threat to stability in the Horn of Africa. Israel announced it was officially recognizing Somaliland, a first for the self-proclaimed republic that in 1991 declared it had unilaterally separated from Somalia. The leader of the Houthis warned that any Israeli presence in Somaliland will be considered a military target. Somaliland, which has for decades pushed for international recognition, enjoys a strategic position on the Gulf of Aden and its own money, passport, and army. Thousands of people thronged a stadium in the capital, Hargeisa, where many dressed up in green, white, and the red colors of the Somaliland's flag. They chanted "Victory for Somaliland" as the flag was hoisted alongside that of Israel in a ceremony broadcast live by Somaliland television stations.